Hello friends, this is the third part of the Unit 4 Image Segmentation. Segmentation by Morphological Watersheds Basic Concept. In this video, we will study about the watershed algorithm, which is the important part of morphological algorithm, which is very useful for any kind of image and to find out the basic extraction and basic application for any gray level images. This video is shooted at Shri Ram Murthy Smarak College of Engineering, Bareilly by Sachin Kumar Saxena, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department. The course code is RCS 082. First and foremost, we understand what are the morphological operations. The different parts of the morphological operations can be understood as neighborhood operations carried out in a spatial domain, which is the integral part of any domain, the lower part and the information integral part of the certain format. This is based on mathematical morphology set theoretical framework originally for binary images and extended for grayscale images. Grayscale images can be understood as that the volume has that the gray level scale have the range 0 to 255 values. It is not the value only 0 or 1. If it is having value 0 and 1, then it is called binary images. Otherwise it is called grayscale level, which is having 0 to 255 scales in between black and white. If it is having RGB images, then the values 0 to 255 for red color, 0 to 255 for blue color, and the 0 to 255 for green color as well. The application of morphological operations are extract information about forms and structures, shaping and filtering of form and structure, the objects which are defined there, the objects which is represented and depicted inside the image, and the different architecture which is inherited from the certain image. Now introduction. In many years of knowledge, morphology deals with form and structure, biology, linguistics, social studies, etc. In the biological, we can extend to the medical field also in order to find the DNA and RNA structure of any blood cells. We can find out any animal cell which is the integral or iota level of which is shooted from the biography, and it can be represent for the different kind of cells study of biological and biotechnology as well. In the linguistic, we are having language format for different countries or regions or different areas, where then we can include social studies for historical and active action research also. In the mathematical morphology deals with set theory, which is the binomial theorem, which is having the intersection and union also, and the different kind of binary operations on the certain images. First and foremost, we convert the image into the binary format. We find out the pixel value in the binary format, then we convert into the set theory and find out the output, for example and, or, nor, nan, whatever the certain operation suited on the object and the structure given as an input. Sets in mathematical formalism represents objects in an image. The pixel value, the dimensions and the different architectures inside the image can be defined there. The watershed transform strategy for image segmentation says the term watershed refers to a ridge that divides areas drained by different river system. We can understood from the figure depicted in the rightmost corner lower bottom that we are having catchment basins formed by the 3D diagram, and the river like architecture can be defined there. A catchment basin is geographical area drained into a river or reservoir by repeatedly fluent or stream of the river, which is upstream or can be downstream. In the segmentation of a binary image, we can have the figure and the defined by the boundary lines. Although this figure includes red pixels moreover, but the variety of the maroon and the red or the pixel value of red and black can be seen or observed here. Consider the task of separating the two touching objects in this binary image. How can we modify this image so its catchment basins are two circular objects? We can differentiate these two circles and two objects in order to form two lines. Now watershed drop of water analogy can be understood by the figure, which is defined watershed directly applied on gray level image. They have extracted the boundary, extracted the edges with the different colors of RGB values. In the original image, they have image segmentation using morphological or watershed algorithm. Also, morphological image segmentation is a process which partitions image into multiple unique region where region is set of pixels and the boundary as well. The applications can be understood through example 1, segmentation a binary image. Consider the task of separating the two touching objects in this binary image, which is having value 0 and 1 only. How can we modify this image so its catchment basins are two circular objects? To do this, we will use another new tool in the image processing toolbox, BWDist, which is defined in the MATLAB software or simulation. Using this BWDIST command, we can use different segmentation parts or in the MATLAB tool only. This command is used in MATLAB software only. For Python or other simulator, we can have different command. In this command or by using this command, which computes the distance transform, the distance transform of a binary image is the distance from every pixel to the nearest non-zero values pixel, as the example given in the first matrix. In this 5x5 matrix, we can have the values of zeros and non-zeros. In the small binary image on the left hand side is having 0 and 1 values also, because it is a binary image, and the distance transform is depicted from the right hand side, which is distance from the non-zero next pixel value on the matrix 5x5. If the value is 1, then it is represented by 1.0. If value is 2, then it is represented by 2.0. If value is 1.41, is represented by 1.41, and so on. Now the illustration part of this algorithm, the objective is to finding the watershed lines, construction of dam of prevent catchment basins from merging. Catchment basins can be represented by the red lines, and in the topographical view we can find these two defined and these two partitions drawn in the certain image. The original image given in the format of blur or in the kind of blur. Now in the topographic view we have watershed lines and the different patterns also. These different patterns can be depicted or the pointed by lines. The basic concept of or the basic flowchart for this algorithm is given image. What we have given as an input image, morphological gradient of an image, morphological reconstruction, gradient calculation, which is the mathematical portion or the integral part, which can be done by any simulator format. Then we have marker control, then watershed segmentation algorithm, and the result image is given in the format of the partition value, which is divide into reverse side pole holes. A marker controlled watershed algorithm based on mathematical morphology. Watersheds, three types of points. watershed rise lines, catchment basins, and RGB. In this method, points belonging to a regional minimum catchment basin, watershed of a region minimum, points at which a drop of water will certainly fall into a single minimum. Divide lines, watershed lines, points at which a drop of water will be equally likely to fall to more than one minimum. This technique is to identify all the three type of points for segmentation. Watershed based image segmentation can be executed in different steps. In the first step, use internal markers to obtain watershed lines of the gradients of the image to be segmented. Use the obtained watershed lines as the external markers. Each region defined by the external markers contain a single internal markers and a part of the background. You can pause this video and write down these steps in order to explain watershed based segmentation algorithm. Image showing internal markers line gray region and external markers watershed lines. Result of segmentation, note the improvement over this figure and the certain regions in the block diagram given also. Global thresholding, region growing, region splitting and merging or what. Morphological watersheds can be defined as an output. These front end and the background can be represented very clearly. These are having black background, these are having black box also. In this having we are having objects as the animal, objects as the human, and the background similar to the pixels. Now we have extracted in the different objects or RGB format. Thank you friends. Any query you can write down mail at sachin.saxena@srms.ac.in, or you can comment or further video or class notes or handwritten notes on www.sachinplacement.blogspot.com, my blog, where you can find out the lecture notes on handwritten notes, previous year question papers, and the quiz and the relevant summary ebooks on this blog for different subjects also, not only for image processing but for different subjects useful for further study. Thank you very much.